So what's up, guys? It's been a while. Today we are going to go back in the bus and work on it a bit. I've been working on it without recording for a little while. I'm going to show you what I did, but before that I bought some kale seeds. So I'm gonna be planting a little bit of it. I haven't grown anything quite a long time, so we'll see how this turns out. They're pretty cheap, so I figured why not. We're gonna fill this bucket along with a smaller bucket like that one, and we're gonna just kind of get them prepped and put them in two different places and see where it grows better. We'll show you guys me doing that for a bit, and then we're gonna go on the bus and I'll show you what I've done thus far and what's gonna happen today. All right. So it says to plant 2 to 3 seeds, 1/4 inch deep, and 8 to 12 inches apart. So we're gonna rough all this out. I'm just gonna see how much we can get in there and see how much we can grow. That'd be a nice test, I guess. All right, let's get to it. So, seeds are planted. I have more. I'm gonna put these somewhere where they don't get destroyed. I'll plant them in a few days probably. I'll probably try and make a garden somewhere, a small one, and just plant them all and see what happens. For now, I'm gonna put these pots in their rightful spots where I wanna see how they grow. And then we're gonna get into the bus and I'll show you guys exactly what I've been working on. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys. I'm in the bus. I'm in here. I'm still running back and forth. I'm gonna have to get rid of all this stuff and just like move everything. I have to finish this whole area and destroy it. But I'm gonna start framing the back end of the bus, like everything up to like where it's fully sealed. Yeah, as you can see, probably last time you guys saw, the AC unit was still in there. I removed that back panel. I'm probably gonna turn this into some kind of shelf. This idea, we'll see exactly what happens. I'm still removing some of the wires like that. It's been hanging for a while. I'm sure. Those wires, I removed the whole front dash area completely. What you see right there is the whole panel. The whole dash area is removed. I am seeing what wires and what switches I'm keeping, which ones I'm not. Those wires for the heater run all the way up into here somewhere. I'm gonna remove those wires. Yeah, it's been a lot of smaller stuff, I guess. And I haven't been going crazy with it. I changed out the headlights since I bought them a long time ago. The bracket for that headlight was so rusted it just kind of fell apart. For the second AC unit that I removed, I just have to finish removing this completely. And once I remove that, I'm not sure exactly what I'm putting there. Either storage, or that's where, if I go the veggie route, which I want to, that's where it's gonna probably go to center out the weight of the bus. Yeah, other than that, I'm probably just gonna get to work. So, let me clean out everything here, and then we can see what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna kind of roll with it and just no plan, just start putting down framing so I can get moving and get something done. All right, so see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I've been gone for quite a while. Last video you saw, I haven't checked the last video I made, but I'm positive it was in winter at some point. It was still snow outside, or like super cold. It is, I don't know, like a week into June. I don't even know the exact date, to be honest. I've been working on the bus here and there, little by little. Haven't had like motivation to really work on it. So I am currently back working on the bus, little by little. I am going to be putting in the flooring. I'm kind of rushing a little, not rushing, that's the wrong word. I am kind of like pushing to move a little bit quicker and to get this subfloor in, because once I get the subfloor in, I'll feel like I'm actually like taking big steps and moving towards like actually getting the project to the point where it's being built. And once I get that done, it'll feel a lot better for me personally, and I'll feel like I've actually gotten somewhere, because as much work as I've been doing, it's been a lot of small things, but it's also been pretty, how do I put it? I don't feel like I'm actually getting anywhere. And that's, I guess, where I kind of felt stuck. But I'm gonna be starting to put the framing in for the subfloor today, for what I have done on the floor so far. And the front part of the bus, I'm going to not do separately, but I'm gonna tear it completely apart and clean up the flooring and then seal it and then start moving through that. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to touch base and tell you guys kind of what's been going on and share with you. But I mean, the bus project will still be moving. I won't be spending every day. I don't want to overwork myself to the point where I don't want to touch it anymore. I'm gonna be doing a lot more outdoor stuff because that's what I enjoy doing. So yeah, I already started caulking the flooring, like where I patched it and everything. I didn't want to do full welds because it would be a pain in the butthole with the welder I have. So I did caulk all the seals and everything. I'm going to caulk all the holes on the ground and stuff like that. So I am going to get to that. Just kind of want to touch base with you guys, so let me get to it. So, here, cooperate please. So I tried using the nail gun. The nail gun is pretty old, and it doesn't want to work very well. So I was just going to use nails, just nail it through the metal instead of getting self-tappers. I was trying to use what I already had, but this nail gun's broken. See if there's another nail gun, and if there's not, I am going to have to go to Home Depot and get self-tappers. And if I get self-tappers, that's gonna cost more money, which is not always the best, but I'm gonna have to do it. So we're walking away from the bus. I'm gonna go see if there's another nail gun. If not, we're going to Home Depot and we're gonna get self-tappers and get the framing done. So let me go see if there's something. All right, got some good news and some bad news. Bad news, I have to go get self-tappers. Good news, I can get either a coffee or food on the way back. Because coffee and food is life. So, let me get to it. See you there. So, I'm using two cameras. And this one is a new camera. I'm assuming it sounds better. It's not a super expensive mic, but it is a new camera. Not brand new. It's a Canon EOS SL1. And then this one is the Sony A6000 that I've always been using. The Sony I can't put a mic on unless I buy a stupidly expensive mic. So let me know which one you guys like. It could be the Sony that I'm looking into now, or the Canon SL1 that actually has the mic port. So whichever one you guys decide, I'll keep using them. But for today, I'm probably gonna use the Canon and see how it works. All right, so let's get back into the bus. So guys, I'm working to the bus right now, and I've done a little bit of work. The GoPro, I'm having issues with it, so I don't know if I'm getting a new GoPro or not. So I did some framing on the bus. I'm going to continue doing that. I'm going to try to get the GoPro working so I can do the time lapses with it still. But I'm going to try and finish a good amount of the framing tonight and do the insulation and possibly get the plywood in. But we'll see. There's still a little bit that I need to grind down towards the driver's seat and get that ready before I finish everything on the flooring or subflooring. And I'm not sure exactly what I'm doing after that. So let me get to work. Peace. Alright guys, so the floor is basically almost done. As you can see, I got some of the insulation in. I gotta finish putting in the insulation in the different sections. I put a middle support so that, because that's the hallway, that's where everything is basically going to be, like the most traffic is gonna be, is down the center and up here. And currently I'm just framing the whole front area. I'm gonna frame it all around and then do the support areas and put the insulation in. Once that goes in, the plywood is gonna go right on top. And the next thing is to outline every single room. I'm gonna have to outline every single room so that I get an idea of how big each room's gonna be. Basically start ordering things like the shower pan, the major things that I'm gonna have to be going through the bus. The shower pan, the kitchen area, so I can drill down for drainage. But that's what we're going so far. I'm gonna get back to work and finish framing. I got the GoPro working. It is back there somewhere. I'll see you guys. Hey guys, as you see, I'm walking away from the bus. I'm going into my shed right now to cut all the plywood for the flooring. I haven't really recorded much today. I've been just cleaning out the bus, but we are heading there right now. My GoPro's been acting up. For some reason it didn't charge even though I had it plugged in, so I'm gonna get an external battery, have it plugged in. But we're at the shed that my dad built, and I basically use it to store all my stuff. And we're gonna get there and actually cut all the plywood to length and put it in. So let me get this battery and get this GoPro going. So see you in a bit. All right, I finished cutting 6 total pieces. That should cover the 24 feet up until right behind the driver's seat. And the rest of it, I'm gonna have to get another piece of plywood. I forgot to grab a second one today. I only grabbed one today when I went to Home Depot. But otherwise, I am gonna go bring all this plywood into the bus and put it down so we can finish the subfloor. So let me head back to the bus with all the plywood, or lug it all over. And then I will show you a time lapse of me putting it in. All right, peace. Oh, jeez. I finished the floor. The floor is done. It's all there. It's all done. So now, I'm gonna be taping up all the rooms. But you're gonna probably see that next video with a couple other stuff. I don't know exactly what's gonna be next video, but that's gonna be in it because I can't wait to tape up every room and see what it's gonna be like. So, thank you for sticking through this whole video. It took about 2 weeks to do the subflooring, like a little bit of time here and there. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'd really appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and or commented. I will try to answer, as always. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.